Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by mapping harmony and tempo so you know what to play. This creates a reliable framework. First, outline the song's chord progression and form so you can anticipate changes. Next, lock a steady tempo with a metronome and decide the groove, ballad, swing, or straight, because feel determines accompaniment choices. Finally, pick basic voicings. Use root positions for clarity, inversions for smoothness, and guide tone movement to connect chords. Once done, you have a practical roadmap to begin comping. You now build the actual accompaniment by layering hands thoughtfully so the song breathes. Start with left-hand patterns. Choose Alberti for classical, octave plus fifth for pop, or walking bass for jazz because each shapes the groove. Then craft right-hand textures, block chords for support, arpeggios for motion, or sparse hits to punctuate phrases. Pay attention to dynamics and silence. Back off 15–30% behind a singer or soloist, and leave rests so melodic lines are clear. Once you finish by integrating with performers and refining details so the arrangement feels cohesive. Rehearse with the singer or group, marking cues, tempo changes, and any extended holds so you react reliably. Record a run-through and listen critically to timing, voicing clarity, and balance. Repeat 3 to 5 iterations, making small adjustments. If things get muddy, troubleshoot by simplifying voicings, slowing the tempo slightly, or reducing note density. In short, less is often clearer. Make sure to test changes in context before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.